Calm, my sweet. They're still fighting. No one's going to hurt you. I'll tell you a story. You know the one about the mother lion and her little cub? They lived in the woods. The king's wood. Yes, my love. In the king's wood lived a mother and her cub. She loved him very much, but there were other things that lived in the woods. Evil things. Like what? Like stags. Stags aren't evil. They only eat grass. And wolves. They could hear them crying in the night, and the cub was frightened. His mother said, "You are a lion, my son. You mustn't be afraid, for one day all the beasts will bow to you. You will be king. All the stags will bow. All the wolves will bow. The bears in the north and the foxes of the south. All the birds in the sky and the beasts in the sea. They will all come to you, little lion, to rest a crown upon your head." And the cub said, "Will I be strong and fierce like my father?" "Yes," said his mother. "You will be strong and fierce, just like your father. I will keep you safe, my love. I promise you."